and welcome to the SOCIETYON Technik team. Today we show you how to factory reset your Samsung A21s. The problem is we don't have the password and the device is now on the flight mode. The problem is if we go to the settings and say power off, a pop-up will come up with the request of your password, but we don't have this password. The only thing we can do is start the light, but we must wait too long to restart the device. An easier way to restart the device is to touch the three buttons on the right side, the power button and the volume up and volume down button. If you press these three buttons in the same time, you can reboot the device. So now do this in the same time. Wait a little bit, and if the screen is black, now hold the volume up button and the power on button. Don't hold the volume down button. Wait a little bit longer, and now you see you are in the recover mode. Now you can do the things like reboot system, do updates or wipe data, power off, but we want to recover in full mode. And we go down with the volume down button. We go up in the menu with the volume up button. And we continue with the power button, okay? So now go to factory reset and wipe data. All your datas are gone. Your photos, your contacts, everything. But this is the best option if you don't have full access to your device. And I think we will do this and start the assistant for the Android device, and we start everything. We will connect our Google account again, and if you have synchronized everything before you lost the password, everything is okay, because photos, contacts will synchronize again. But now just tap the button and now we see everything will reset. This takes 5-6 minutes, but hold on. Just wait, take a coffee and wait. So now you can see the installation guide. Please follow the device, and after this a little text box will come up and show you, oh, your device is protected. Now the luck is we have Wi-Fi and are not in the flight mode. And this is good because you show now up this box and he needed the password, but we don't have this, but we have a Google account and this is good. And we have the Google account's password. And so we connect with the Google account and it will send an SMS for authentication protection again. Then we need to do the SIM card in the SIM slot and wait that everything will be started. I will type now the PIN. I will get connection with my telephone number, and now everything will work. Google will see that everything is from the owner, and now we can continue and say, okay, we go with the old account and use this. In the left side you can say, okay, I want a new account, but we now try the old account. Now the assistant will go on and you can copy and synchronize your data from the cloud, and you see everything is very easy to handle. You can synchronize again with your Samsung device or Samsung account, and all your data are back. The local data are lost from your old device because the factory reset will delete everything, but it's a good option to recover the most of it. I hope you like this video and I can help you a lot with this. Thank you very much for watching.